All right, everybody, welcome back to Moments of Motion channel. Today is July 27th, 2026, and we're going to be heading into La Luz, New Mexico. Been getting a lot of requests for La Luz lately. I did one a long time ago, but it's been probably like 5 years. But I tried to do this one yesterday, and it started raining, so we had to abort the mission. But we're gonna try to get up there today, hopefully before it rains. But other than that, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. I think we're going to go through La Luz first, and then, first we're going to head up to Laborcita Canyon area, because I've also gotten a lot of requests for that area. And then after that, come down through the main part of La Luz. We may split this up between a few days or a couple days. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Fairly new Dollar General store right here on the right. I think it might have been here for maybe a year now. But the weather is nice today. It's pretty warm though. Over on the left, that's the church. They have a food pantry over here to the left. And to the right is the plaza. They do events over there, like festivals and stuff like that. But it's nice here because it's fairly shaded. Got quite a few trees out here in the desert. Over here to the left, that's the La Luz Fire Department. Yeah, I got to about here yesterday and it was pouring, so I had to cancel the trip. But as I'm looking up here in the canyon, I don't see any. I see clouds, but I don't see what looks like rain yet. So we'll hope for the best. I'm also mic'd up. I think these drives, I'm gonna start micing myself up. That way I can kind of narrate what's going on. Kind of point out things along the way that we might see. I think that's kind of the direction we're headed. But I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. We did our last series we did was going out to Las Vegas, We did Hoover Dam. We did part of the, well, I guess the main part of the Strip in Las Vegas. And then we did Area 15, which has Meow Wolf. That one was a lot of fun. That one was more of a walking tour video. There's actually one, so there's two roads I kind of want to go down up here. There's some I guess dirt roads you could call it, but they got some pretty interesting views up there, so we'll probably hit those first. I'm hoping for no rain, but it does look like there might be a possibility of rain here in a little bit. Hopefully the camera stays fairly cool, because this sun really drains the battery on these cameras. There's a lot of history back here too. I don't have enough information to really talk too much about it, because I don't honestly really know. But I know if I really get into the history books, there's a lot of stuff, a lot of things we could go over up here. That might be for another video. This one will just kind of take in the views. See, I don't know which road we should do first. Let's see. You know, I might come back and do this one up here. We'll go to the one I'm really wanting to do first. Raise you up a little bit more. The main part of La Luz is fairly small, but in actuality, La Luz is actually really spread out. You have Laborcita Canyon up here where we're going. You have South La Luz, which is across the railroad tracks, and of course, on both sides, east and west. There's UPS. I used to deliver for UPS, and I would deliver up in here, and some of these roads, when it snows, it's a problem. Sliding off the road and getting stuck. I did actually get stuck up here one day. It was on a rain. It was a rain. Well, it had snowed a week prior, then it rained, and the roads got really muddy. We're gonna go up the road that I got stuck on. And it's gonna be up here on the left. And this is Rolling Hills Road. If you have 4x4, it's no problem. But if you have a regular vehicle, it can be tricky. But I work with Amazon now, and I deliver up here, and I don't really have any issues. The road is bumpy though. Yeah, whenever it snows up here, it's not really fun to be on. I'm up this road quite a bit. Honestly, I don't even really know if it is a private road. I don't think so. So what I've been doing is I've been kind of splitting up these videos into parts, because I don't know, I think I could do a whole 2-hour long video, but I don't know how attention spans are these days. So what I'm probably going to do right now is stop part 1, and then we'll start it up on part 2. Right up here at the top. I think we'll go ahead and say goodbye to you guys, and then say hello to you again on part 2. We will see you.